In this video, I will show you how you can turn on or turn off guest mode on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Now, to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Accounts and Backup. And from here, just tap on Users, and under the User Settings, just tap on Add Guest. Then wait for a few seconds. Now to switch to the guest mode, just tap on Switch to Guest. Now just wait for a few seconds for your tablet to switch into the guest profile. And after you switch into the guest profile, all your personal data like your photos and all the other data will be hidden. And also all your downloaded apps will be hidden on your tablet. Now to turn off guest mode on your tablet, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just go back into Accounts and Backup. Tap on Users. Now instead of Guest, just select Owner. Tap on Switch to Owner. And after you do that, then tap on Remove Guest Profile. Now just wait for a few seconds for your tablet to turn off guest mode and to open your own profile. Just like that. And as you can see, all our data has appeared again on our tablet. Just like that. And this is how you can turn on or turn off guest mode on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.